While the term cancer does elicit a lot of foreboding in the general public, it's not something that needs to be feared that much, because after all, cancer is just another disease which needs to be dealt with in a certain kind of way. In fact, one would be surprised that there are more cure in cancer than in several other non-malignant ailments that the human race suffers from. But at the same time, one must understand that cancer is a significant health problem in the country, all over the world, simply because it has a heavy bearing on the health machinery, the financial machinery, and so many other repercussions that it has. So when we talk about cancer, we need to first understand what cancer is, and thereby also understand that it's just another disease which needs to be dealt with. We have more cure in cancer than many other diseases. So the only way that we can sort of reduce the death related to cancer, which of course is high because we know that cancer-related mortality is only second to cardiovascular mortality. So there is a big need for us to reduce this incidence of mortality. So therefore, you need to have education in cancer, you need to understand cancer, you need to understand the early signs of cancer, and also understand that where to get the proper therapy for the cancer. So if you are going to deal with early detected cancer, the chances of cure are very high. And this is even higher in pediatric populations, where we talk in terms of cure rates of close to 80% in several malignancies. So in the kind of malignancy that I deal with, which is hematological disorder, the promise is even greater in terms of having higher cure rates. But we need to understand what we are dealing with, and the advances in medicine as far as oncology is concerned has been significant, and the advances in terms of being able to deliver specific therapies for specific entities has also gone a long way in treating cancer. So we must understand it's just another disease which needs to be dealt with in the proper way, and that goes a long way. That can be dealt with by proper understanding of what is termed as cancer. We have to live with cancer. It happens day in and day out, and as the life expectancy of the human race increases, cancer is also going to be part and parcel of it, because after all, cancer is a disease of aging.